Hey everybody, it's Carl. Welcome to the Wednesday walk. Sorted out the camera angle this week, hopefully. So, won't be crazy looking. Hope everybody's having a good week. I'm doing pretty good. It's about 7:30 in the evening. I just got home from work. I'm getting my miles in. So, trying to get some of these calories burnt off. Hopefully I'm not wheezing too terribly much yet. I feel like it's getting better. So here's the weekly update, I guess is how I'm going to do this. Had a great week as far as working out goes. My back held up really well. No pain or problems whatsoever. So I managed to get 6 days of working out in last week. 3 resistance band training days with the Stevie Richards Fitness, which gave me a total of like 1,208 calories burned, which is fantastic. And then for my walks, I think I racked up about 1,700 calories, walking 3 days a week, 2 times a day, doing about a mile, about 20-30 minutes, so about a mile at work during lunch hour or downtime, and then coming home and walking in the evening for 40 minutes or so, getting about 2 miles or something like that. So that's been pretty cool. A lot of great miles and success there, so pretty excited about that. Mostly excited that my back hasn't given out yet, so that's pretty cool. So that's almost a pound. That's like 2,900 calories burnt in 6 days, and I've been eating on the 1,500 calorie a day diet, eating my meal preps. That was pretty good. I did really good with that all week until Saturday. Saturday was kind of a junk day. I had a bit of a binge. I ate all my preps. I was still kind of hungry, and I got inside my head and convinced myself I needed to order a pizza, and I did that, and I managed to sit and eat a large pizza in one sitting. Not very good. But it is what it is. It's part of my illness, I guess. That's how I got up to almost 300 pounds back in 2016. But I'm on my way back down. I told you guys that I finished the year at 229 in 2018, and then I've been kind of really slacking off and eating garbagey. Shot back up to 250. So as of April 1st, I was 250 pounds. And as of April 7th, on my Sunday weigh-in, I had dropped about 7 pounds. So I weighed in about 242. Sorry, 240. 242 and some change, something like that. So roughly 7-8 pounds. I don't remember exact numbers. And I know most of that is water and waste and just getting some of that junk out of my body. It's no big deal. Still exciting to see the loss. It's encouraging because it proves what I'm doing is working. It's also, for me, it's not about looking good, but it's about feeling good. I mean, looking good to be a secondary thing, but mostly it's trying to take the pressure off my joints and off my back. So every pound counts, no matter where it comes from. What else can I say? These people, I'm going to walk by a car and they'll probably think I'm crazy. All these cars driving by, watching me talking to my phone as I walk. But other than that, man, it's a beautiful evening. We had like it's 85 degrees right now. Low humidity, beautiful weather, no bugs yet. So it's a perfect Texas evening. I've been on the walk right now for about 11 and a half minutes. I'm just over half a mile, like 0.6 of a mile. Not walking the fastest because I'm trying to not trip talking to you guys in the camera. But anyway, thanks for watching. Last week, you guys got a lot of encouraging comments. Also, a shout out to Flash Boredom. He's been rocking his exercise program. Lost 21 pounds recently. Fantastic. Keep it up, brother. I'm going to check out for a little bit, and I'll check back in with y'all when the walk is over. You can see the sweaty fat wheezing man part 2. and I'll give you the calorie counts and updates. See you in a little bit. I got a raccoon running across my path. That's pretty wild. He's gonna go into the sewer. Huh. Look at him. Little fat sucker. And there he goes. That's ridiculous, man. I came right. It's crazy, dude. That's so crazy. I came right around the corner and I saw that little fat raccoon just cruising through the parking lot. Didn't know if I was going to get the camera out fast enough. Pretty wild. Check in with you guys later. Alright, y'all. Home stretch. Heading up the stairs to the apartment. It's a good walk. I'm tired. Whew, that raccoon was crazy. Yeah, looks like I'm going to finish about 38. Let's see. About 39 minutes. 38:53. 2 miles. 38:53. 2 miles. 300 calories. Thanks for watching, y'all. I'll catch you next time. I'm fat and tired.